Have you ever wondered how something as heavy as a plane, sometimes weighing hundreds of tons, can lift off the ground and stay in the air? Every day, millions of people take to the skies, and planes are actually the safest way to travel. Think about this. There are around 100,000 flights every single day, and the chance of a passenger fatality? Just 0.0000001%. That's basically 1 in a million. Cars, buses, and other modes of transportation can't even come close. So how do planes pull off this magic trick? Let's break down the engineering behind flight. The 4 forces of flight. Flying isn't magic, it's physics, and it all comes down to 4 forces: thrust, lift, weight, and drag. Thrust is what pushes the plane forward, usually from engines or propellers. Think of it like giving a toy car a strong push. Without it, nothing moves. Lift is the upward force that keeps the plane in the air. Wings are specially shaped to push air downward, and in return, the plane gets pushed up. Weight is just gravity doing its thing, constantly trying to pull the plane down to earth. Drag is the air trying to slow the plane down, like running through a swimming pool instead of air. All 4 forces are constantly at work, battling and balancing each other to keep planes soaring safely. Takeoff. Takeoff is the first test. The pilot revs up the engines, pushing the plane forward to about 150 knots, or roughly 170 miles per hour. That's when the wings start doing their job, generating enough lift to overcome gravity. The pilot lifts the nose, the plane climbs into the sky, and suddenly, you're flying. Every takeoff is a perfect dance between speed, lift, and careful engineering. Cruising. Once the plane reaches cruising altitude, usually 30,000 to 40,000 feet, it enters a kind of perfect balance. Thrust pushes forward, lift keeps it up, drag slows it slightly, gravity pulls it down. The plane can even engage autopilot, letting the engines, wings, and flight systems handle all the physics while passengers relax and maybe binge a show. It's like letting a perfectly tuned robot fly you across the country. Landing. Landing is just as precise as takeoff. The pilot slows the engines and extends flaps and landing gears to increase drag. As the plane approaches the runway, the nose lifts gently in a maneuver called a flare, reducing the descent rate. Brakes and reverse thrust bring the plane to a safe stop, all of it carefully engineered to handle thousands of pounds of weight safely. So that's how planes defy gravity every day, a careful balance of physics, engineering, and a little bit of magic. From thrust to lift, drag to weight, each flight is a tiny miracle of design. Curious about how engineering makes other crazy things possible? Subscribe to Enginuity, where we break down the strength behind engineering, from bridges to planes and beyond. See you next time.